Content sections are the core building blocks of this template. They can be easily created, rearranged, and removed. To begin to create your content blocks for your template, you need to go to your home page by going to all pages and clicking home page. For the sake of this demo, I went ahead and did not install the template with the demo data. So right now I have a fresh home page and it's running the home page template. So right now, if I check my front end of my website and I hit refresh, this is what my current web page looks like. It's pretty flat on content. It needs a little bit of substance to really make this template look a little bit prettier. So right now I wanted to add a image sliding section that can display at the top of my website. So in order to do that, I click the add new content section icon or button, and as you can see, some of my items are kind of cut off. So what you can do is just add any type of content box in. And if you scroll down and click the add new content section, you can see your full range of options. So I want to click image slider because I know that's the content section that can show my images sliding and transitioning from each other. So if I click image slider and I want to scroll back up and I want to hit this X to remove this anything content section. And right now I want to give my slider a section ID. This will help later on when we start linking our sections to our main menu. So I just want to call this slider. And now I'm going to click the add slide icon to add a slide. Sometimes, well, the recommended image size is 1920 by 763, and also it allows you to add a link so that image can link somewhere. So let's go ahead and populate our image slider with a couple of new images. So I want to upload, and right now I'm pointing back to my extracted files that I downloaded from the Theme4's zip file when I purchased a template. And I want to go into my images folder right here, and let's pick a couple of good slides that we can use, like this slide isn't bad, and that slide. So actually, if you hold control on a Windows computer, you can select multiple slides at once and just click open, and as you see, they quickly upload. All right, so if I hit select, all three of them pop in instantly. Saves you a lot of time from having to do that one by one. For the image link, I'm going to put a little hashtag here, number sign, because I don't want it to link anywhere. Well, let's just say for this testing purpose, let's just link this first slide to Google. All right, everything looks good. I have my 3 slides and I hit update. I go back and hit refresh on my home page, and as you can see, my 3 slides are displaying like I want. Let's go back to this first slide, and I'm just going to click on it and see where it takes me. Awesome, it takes me to Google. So going back, that's the image slider, plain and simple. So let's add a new content section, and let's do a featured slide, and we're just going to call this feature 1. All right, so we have our section ID and it's called feature 1. Actually, let's just make it a little bit simpler. We'll just call it features. And then scrolling down, we have an option of adding a background color, a background image, text color, heading color, or feature slides. So what I'm interested in doing is adding in my feature slides. So what I want to do is click the add feature layout button. And so we have 2 different layouts within the featured content area. We have features left and featured right. I want to add a features left section in there. So right now, it's asking me to add in my image, and it specifies a width of 340 pixels. So let's go ahead and click the Add Image button, and let's upload a different image. Let's see, let's do this one, demo feature one, and hit select. All right, that's in there. And for heading, I'm just going to call that feature one. And for content, I have some pre-made content already I want to drop in here. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is hit the update button right here to save my changes. Now if I go back and refresh my template, and scroll down, we can now see our cool features section right underneath our image slider section. Our template is looking a little bit better. So now what I want to do is let's just add another feature section into this template. So what we can do is click the add feature layout. Let's click or select features right this time. And let's add, or actually let's give it a heading first. So we're going to call this feature 2, and we'll give it some text as well. Actually, let's give it a bullet list. So we'll do it this way. Okay, bullet lists. We'll give it 4 bullet list points, and we'll add a new image. So let's upload a new file, and we'll do this one. Hit select, and I want to go and click update, refresh my website. I'm scrolling down, and so now we get an additional area where we can page through, and we see our new set of features. It's pretty cool. The next content section I would like to talk about is called the gallery section. And we have 2 gallery sections. I'm going to focus on the first gallery section. If I click that, I get a whole gallery section option list that just came down. So I want to go ahead and give my gallery a section ID. I'm going to call it a gallery 1. I can also give it a background color, or I can also give it a background image. But the unique thing about the Gallery 1 layout is that it has 4 different layouts. So Style 1, Style 2, Style 3, and Style 4. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to do Style 2 layout. So I'll select that. The first set of options gives us a small image. The second image options gives us the long image. And then again, the last image option allows us to put in a small image. So each set of images comes with a thumb, and then a full size version. Same thing again with the long, a thumb, a full size, and then again a small, a thumb, and full size. So let's go ahead and start to attach our images. And you see that the small thumb size has a width of 221 pixels by 460 pixels. So let's go ahead and upload that. All right, and I am going to attach this thumb. And I'm going to add the larger version to that, which is here. Again, so for the long thumb, I'm going to upload my long image, my long thumb image right here. And then right here, I'm going to upload my long one. And then right here, I'm going to upload my small thumb. And then here, I'm going to upload my large thumb, or large image right here. So we have it all set up, and all of my images adhere to the image specifications. So really, you have to adhere to your thumb pixel width and pixel height. Again, here for your long thumb, pixel width and pixel height. Same thing here. Your large images can be any size. So let's go ahead and hit the update button. And we will refresh our home page. And there you go. Here's our small thumb. Here's a long thumb. Here's a small thumb right here. If I click my images, you can also see it's pulling in my image captions, which I'm going to show you how to do that next. So, going back, let's go ahead and update our image caption. So where it says add caption, we want to hover over our image, and which is going to be our full size image. And if we hit the pencil icon right here, it's going to ask us for a couple of bits of information, but we're just really interested in the caption. So for this caption, we can update this to great animal. Update to that, and we'll update this caption for our long full image. And we can just say worried rabbit. Update that, and same thing here. We can add a caption to our small full, and we can just say mean animals, and hit update, and let's refresh, and now see our new captions. Great animal right there. If I hit over, worried rabbit right here, and also mean animals. So there you go. That's how you update the Gallery 1 section. You can always add additional layouts down below if you wanted to do a Style 3 layout right underneath. It gives you a different ordering of your layout. So this one is your small thumb, small full. Again, another small thumb, small full. And then finally a long thumb, long full. And so you just get a different array of options. I can add another style 4, which gives you all 4 small layout options. And then if I go to style 1, the longest first, and then the 2 smalls are last. So that's pretty much your crash course in the Gallery 1 layout style. If you wanted to give it a background color, just specify it right here. And click update. If I refresh, now you got this cool funky green color as well. The next content section that I would like to talk about is the Gallery 2 content section. So let's go ahead and add that content section to our page now. All right, first thing I need to do is enter my section ID. We're going to call this Gallery 2. And also, we can also add in a background color, a background image, and here we can add in our additional images for the gallery. So let's go ahead and click the Add Image button. And we'll click an image here. All right, so actually, let's go ahead and upload some new images for this particular section. So I'm going to select 3 different gallery images. This one, and this one. If I open them, they're all going to upload. And I can hit the select button, and they all instantly drop in, which is great. Now I'm just going to hit the update button, and I'm going to check the front end of my website, see the results. Hit refresh, and there we go. Quickly have a new gallery. With the gallery section, as I said before, you can add in a background color or a background image. We can give it a black background color. Let's give that a shot. See how it looks. Front end. There you go. Now also you can add image captions underneath each image. So for example, if I hover over the particular image that I want to add a caption to, you have a pencil icon. Go ahead and select the pencil icon. And where it says caption, you can give it any type of caption. So for this one, we're going to give it a caption of brown animal. This one, we can give it a caption of Angry Bunny. And this one, we won't give any caption. So let's go ahead and click Update. Go back and hit Refresh. So now, as we scroll through our images, you can see that the captions come up. Obviously, this one doesn't have a caption because we didn't assign a caption to it. And your Gallery 2 images, make sure they have a dimension of 940 pixels by 462 pixels, and everything will come out perfect every time.